Okay, let's create a new project for JavaFX application. Next. So you need to activate JavaFX for the first time. Okay, install. Finish. Now NetBeans is activating JavaFX. Here, if you're using JDK 23 only, you won't be able to create the project. Okay, so in my case, I have to use the old version of JDK 1.8, which is a JDK 8. Then you can select JDK 1.8. Now error message disappear. Okay, finish. Okay, this is a sample, comes with Java application project. So let's build projects. It seems like it doesn't work, so you have to run it manually. Only you can do is you have to manually run it. Okay. Okay. Do not run it from the menu. Okay. Run file. Click. Okay. It says hello world on the console. That's how you can run JavaFX project. Second one, you may prefer to run JavaFX FXM applications, okay, with JDK 1.8. Okay, it will comes with a 3-in-1. Okay. Business logic might be presented here. Java application 11. Let's build. It doesn't build. That's okay. Because if you look at the name fxml, fxl documents.fxml, the file name doesn't match by default somehow. Template does not generate the proper name, so make sure you change the name. And try again. Build project. JavaFX FXML projects, you can actually use the menu. Click me, hello world. That's it. Thank you.